Once upon a time, there was a girl called Rose. She lived in a cottage, small cottage, with her mother. They were so poor there was hardly a bean to plant to grow or to eat. One day, Rose felt so hungry that she ran into the wood. "You poor girl," said a voice. "What's the matter?" The voice belonged to a kind old lady. When she heard how hungry Rose was, the old lady gave her a present. It was a magic cooking pot. Yes, it was made by metal or steel. So, the old lady explained. "Say the magic word. Cook, cook, little pot. Make me porridge, piping hot." And then the magic cooking pot will cook you a meal. But when the porridge is cooked, you say, "Stop, stop, little pot. No more porridge, that's the lot." And so, Rose was overjoyed. She ran back home with the tiny cooking porridge, tiny magic cooking pot. And she showed her mother. And so she said the magic word with this. "Cook, cook, little pot. Make me porridge, piping hot." And so the pot began to boil and bubble. Hot. Yeah. And so after the porridge is cooked, the Rose say, "Stop, stop, 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 little pot. No porridge, that's the lot." And so they take a plate and for both of them, and then pour the porridge into the plate. And so they began ate and ate and ate until they could eat no more. The end.